Where are we going?
To see the sun.
Okay, let's go. Slow down, slow down. Calm down, calm down. Calm down.
Okay.
What are you doing?
We need to do slow.
No. Go up the stairs. Go up those stairs. It's gonna be fun. Go. I'm right behind you. I'm right behind you. Go on.
It's okay. Okay.
Where are we going? Where are we going? You gotta be quiet, okay? No, come on. Are you scared? What are you scared of? What are you scared of? Are there ghosts up here? Are there ghosts?
No.
No?
Let's go back.
Why do you want to go back? Oh my gosh, it's so scary! Go! I'm just kidding.
Too scared.
I'm just kidding. I'm just trying to scare you.
Creepy up there.
It's creepy.
Mm-hmm.
All right, you want to go back to the room? Want to go back to our room? Whoa, let's go back to the room, okay?